Hi, good morning. Welcome to Online Investing Channel. Yes, let's share the great good news. The number of recovery cases were very good yesterday in spite of the spike of new cases. We had close to 40,000 cases recover yesterday compared to the previous days. Very good, my dear friends. Yes, the number of cases recovery for corona is very high. At the same time, we also mentioned there is a very good news from US that there is a medicine which is made available, which is working from Gilead Pharmaceuticals in the name of Remdesivir, which is being tested. My dear friends, as we mentioned yesterday, the market is waiting only for a good news, which has very much taken into effect in the name of medicine and the future vaccines also. There are more than 70 pharmaceutical companies who are working very tirelessly to get an antiviral for it, and the tests are going globally. The first of its kind, the test which has been completed with a small trial, has come out very successfully. So, the good news, let's follow the rules and lockdown procedures, stay home. At the same time, medicines are available. As you mentioned yesterday, all our clients have made a very good profit by selling the put option. So, at times of uncertainty, we said the market is waiting for a good news. Yes, my dear friends, yesterday the Nifty put option of 8,900, 8,800, and all the below put option, the premium of 70 rupees to 50 rupees, the even 8 rupees, 10 rupees premium, whoever has sold, it has become zero. I hope people enjoyed and have received screenshots of clients with a 10,000 minimum to maximum of 45,000. Our members have shared their profits who have just sold the Nifty put option. I hope everybody has understood what is a Nifty and Nifty put option. And my dear friends, the moment the news came after the post, the US market closing, immediately the market has reacted with 800 points above. That is a US index called Dow Jones has reached 24,200, which we have told you a simple 50-day moving average, as we mentioned, which has very clearly come near the 50-day moving average of 24,000 as mentioned last time. Okay, the same thing you can see in our Nifty index also. I hope some of the queries were there. So, what is this index all about? Just to clarify some of the people, index of any country is nothing but a small representation of the all industries put together of the country. The GDP, the gross domestic production of a country represented with the industries. For India, earlier it was Sensex, now it is a Nifty 50 stocks, which represents these major indices like banking, technology, oil and gas, automotive, telecom, food, beverages to the major extent, which represents the industry, which is evident. You can see it. So now, as we advise to invest on the stocks at every dips, it is working very well. Yesterday also, in spite of all the uncertainty things, all the metal index, the banking stocks were at a very good peak. As I told you, market is a forward trading instrument which has accounted all the uncertainties already into the pricing. It doesn't take newses and start reacting. It takes projecting the news in advance and trades. As I told you, keep investing on a SIP mode for a longer term investment. Now, let us come back to today's prediction. As known, today it will be a gap down opening from yesterday's closing of 8,900 support to 9,200. Now, let's come back. How do we trade today? Now, every dip will be a good buying opportunity because globally all the markets are reacting to the good news. Yes, my dear, as I told you, the first major markets are US, followed by China. Both the China index of your China 50 and Japan Nikkei, which is trading at a 2% upper side. And both Europe DAX and FTSE, which is Europe and London, are also at a 1.5%, which equally our markets also reacting. And as I told you always, at times of uncertainty only, the gold starts giving a good return. And at times of certainty, the money moves from gold, that safe haven, to the equity. So you can see gold has from $1,788, it has come to 1,726. And our currency against the dollar is also strengthening, which was weaker yesterday at 77 rupees. You may ask, why do we need to look at all this inter market analysis is very important to understand the way forward. As I told you, the black gold of the market is called crude oil, which has taken a strong support of 1,500 in MCX for crude oil and in $19 terms for the international dollar index. So $19 is close to 68% down for the year, which is a very good affordable rate for a country like India and China, which is basically a net oil importing countries. So we depend on oil pricing for our inflation, which was mentioned in our earlier videos. The most important thing in the market is your cost of living. Inflation will be in a very control, because as long as the oil price is controlled, you have a very good inflation. So at times of low interest rate, good inflation control, and when the economic activities are resuming back to duty, equity will be the time for investment. So, my dear friends, confidently start your SIP back to equity. Start adding to your portfolio the quality stocks which we have mentioned as early in spreading into a major four sector starting from FMCG. You can see all the FMCG stock resuming back to the peak. And even now, if you ask question, yes, it's a time to stay invested in equity in FMCG stocks, that is fast moving consumer goods like Hindustan Unilever, ITC, Colgate, Dauber, will be good returns. You will see a 5% return to 10% then on a month on month basis from now. Yes, you can very much book profits in FMCG and move your money to banking stock, which has already taken a heavy beating, which is available at a very good discounted pricing of 50 to 60%, like HDFC Bank at 800 invest for straight away making a 10% to 20% profit, followed by HDFC Limited, ICICI, Axis, and in public sector we have mentioned SBI and the Hinduja Group famous IndusInd Bank. And the third sector which we have mentioned is the IT. As we know, technology is a part and parcel of everybody's life, and there we need to live with it. The always a gem of the IT stocks like Infosys at 600 and 550 were recommended. Wait and see. Today you will see at least a 3 to 4% of upside when the today's closing. TCS with the results coming a decent good result of 8,049 crores. You will see a very good upside movement of TCS closing today with the bonus of 6 rupees per share of dividend announced from yesterday. And the fourth sector which we asked you to keep in radar is the infrastructure, the cement and the metals, which is already beaten down heavily, close to 80%, starting from the cement stocks which you mentioned, Ultratech Cement, ACC, and metal stocks like Vedanta, JSW Steel are available at a very good discount pricing for a very good return. Thank you, my dear friends. Hope you will enjoy the video, and nevertheless, to reiterate, pharma, continue to stay invested in pharma stocks to make a very good money. Thank you. Stay invested in equity and know the asset class of investments, and we'll keep educating you time to time about the investments and the different asset classes. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Have a great day. Hope you will enjoy the video. Keep updating your comments for future updates. Thank you.